Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. Thank you very much for to you all to come in this session. So today we are discussing, continuing the previous one, the middle class virus and the 11 forgotten laws. So what are the middle class virus? Middle class viruses are over emotional, overthinking, fear of life, fear of failure, over smartness, survival mentality, excuse mentality, rigid mentality, backup story, defensive zone, limited belief, comfortable life, victim life, I know everything, rules and regulations. So, to overcome these viruses, to combat these viruses, Bob Proctor has given 11 forgotten laws. So, the first one and the second one, the law of thinking and law of supply, we already have discussed. So, today we will discuss about the law of attraction. So, what is law of attraction? It is basically the communication with the universe. As we all know, there are three communication. The first is someone is talking to himself. Second is the communication with the human world, and third is the communication from the universe. So this law is regulating how we are communicating with the universe. So universe is communicating to the people, like universe is made of matters and matters is made of energy, and where there is energy it gives vibration. If there is vibration there is signal, and signal brings communication. So this is proof that every human has communication with the universe. So the law of attraction is a pseudoscience based on the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative impact into the person's life. In 1897, Ralph Waldo Trine wrote In Tune with the Infinite. In the second paragraph of the chapter 9, he writes, the law of attraction works unceasingly throughout the universe. And the one great and never changing fact in the connection with it is, as we have found, that like attracts like. So Ralph said that like always attracts like. If you are thinking positive, the positive vibration bring you the positive message. If you are thinking something negative, it will bring the negative events. So from 1897 to the 2006, there are many thinkers who said this is the correct, and we have experimented in our life and it is proved. But it was still not so famous. In 2006, Rhonda Byrne, an Australian television writer and producer, her new thought book, The Secret. And based on the same book, she made and produced one film of having the same name, The Secret. She claims that all great men in the history know about this law of attraction, suggesting Abraham Lincoln, Ludovic van Beethoven, and Winston Churchill, and others. So these are the very great people, like Abraham Lincoln was the president and Winston Churchill was the hero of the Second World War. So these people already knowing that like attracts like, and they are always thinking the positive thoughts which brings him positive results. For this book, the Byrne also have a website. The Secret published in 2006. By the spring 2007, that means in 1 year, it has sold more than 90 million copies in more than 40 languages. The more than 2 million DVDs, the Secret book and film have grossed $300 million. So, essentially what she said in that book, the law essentially is about what we focus, we will attract. It doesn't matter whether it is positive or negative, what we will focus, that we will attract in our life. So the positive thought and positive visualization will have a direct impact. While positive can improve one's quality of life and resilience is the ability to withstand adversity and bounce back from the difficult life event through hardship. So it is important to just focus on what you want and get emotionally involved to attract into your life. So the fact is that whatever you want, just think about that and keep thinking until you are not receiving this. The law of receiving. If the goal is to improve your lifestyle, enjoy better health and financial freedom along with a happy relationship with the people, your first thought should be how can you give? of yourself in order to receive the benefit you desire. When you give someone either of your time, money or emotion, it brings you the good, usually from the same source or from the different source. So now the two theory we discussed. The first is law of attraction and the second is law of receiving. So how the universe is communicating with the person. So there are 5 methods of a universe which is communicating from the human. The first is the experience, second event, third situation, fourth people, and fifth opportunity. So the universe provides you some experience, maybe some event, maybe situation, maybe people in contact, and maybe provide you some opportunity to attract what you are looking for. In terms of like attracts like, and another one that they can provide you the opportunity to receive in exchange of what you have sacrificed, what you have done good things. That's all for the today. The next 2 laws we will discuss on the next Saturday. Have a nice evening and happy weekend.